I'm standing in the Collingham Tower that was built in 1843, following the War of Windsor in 1835. This tower is built in front of me facing the Great Fish River, and behind me is the town of Grahamstown, now called Makhanda. It's not far from here. This tower was a signal tower. Secondly, it's built on the highest elevated area, as you can see there. You can show the camera there. As you can see there in front of me, this is one of the most highly elevated areas. On my left there, it's towards Alice and Middle Drift. And then in front of me, there on this road, is coming from Engqushwa. And then behind me then is Makhanda. So this is part of the living heritage of the 100 Years' Wars. The tower was part of the fortification of the occupied land between the Great Fish River and Khamtus River. After AmaXhosa were successfully pushed out of this place following the ethnic cleansing of women and children, they then resorted to relentless attacks at night, making sure that the British settlers do not occupy the usurped territory. So it was structures like this that were built in order to uproot the sting of the relentless onslaught that was launched by AmaXhosa. So we are standing here in one of the towering towers, the living heritage of the history of the 100 Years' Wars. You may recall that not only this tower was not a fort. It was, it's partly a fort because you can see where I'm standing. There is no door leading to the tower. You have to climb through these stones and then you get inside here. So it also acted as a fort, a fortified area. Part of this tower also were the estimate number of the 44 military forts that were built, 62 military posts. That alone is an indication of the intensity of these 100 Years' Wars. That each side that has been pushed over, it comes back to fight to say, not in my life, not under my name. You are not going to occupy this. So this is the Collingham Tower. Thank you. Again, this is the inside of the Collingham Tower. You can see there is highly fortified. It's got those small windows that are used to defend this place in case of attack. You can see there at the bottom, those openings are made for the firepower to defend the people in this tower. It's got an area there at the back. I think these are also windows that are used to look at the enemy from far away. It's still solid. It's a strong structure. You can see how thick is the wall on this Collingham Tower. So as we walk, my name is Jongi Class, the author of the 100 Years' Wars. Thank you.